Hello people, it's me Sue Henry back again with a new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this super healthy smoothie because it contains almost all the nutrients that your body needs so that it can help you to fight from illness and prevent you from diseases. Our first fruit today will be an apple. It's always said an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a rich fruit due to its nutrient content. It helps you to prevent several health conditions. It's good for your heart, lowers the risk of having diabetes. It also has probiotic effect, that is, it raises your immunity. It prevents you from cancers due to its high level of antioxidants. It has a compound that fights asthma. It also strengthens your bones and prevent weak bones associated to menopause, mostly in women. So I'll cut my apples in small pieces, then place them in a bowl, as you can see. Our second fruit will be a banana. A banana improves digestion because of its high levels of fiber. It also helps in kidney health, therefore kidney functions well. Banana contains magnesium, potassium, vitamin B12, etc. So I'll cut the banana in small pieces and put them in a bowl. Our third fruit will be an orange. An orange has citric acid that helps to prevent kidney stones formation. It also contributes to strong and clear skin because it contains vitamin C that raises the immunity to fight against diseases. It also has high sodium content and promotes wound healing. Also, oranges prevent low blood levels because it has ascorbic acid, which promotes the absorption of iron in the body. So I'm going to peel the orange, as you can see, then cut it into small pieces and then add it to my bowl. Ensure you are gentle so that you don't remove so much from the orange. It's preferred to have the seedless oranges, but if you don't have the seedless oranges, you can always remove the seeds from the orange. Our fourth fruit will be a mango. A mango contains vitamin C that boosts your immunity and prevents cold, helps in improving good eyesight due to high levels of vitamin A. A mango is good for diabetic patients due to its low sugar scale. A mango reduces the risk of heart disease since it helps in lowering the cholesterol levels. It's believed that unripe mangoes promote liver health, though there is a limited research on that. A mango can be used as a scrub and gives you good skin. So I'll put my mango in the bowl. On to our fifth fruit, which is a pawpaw. So the pawpaw helps in reducing menstrual pain because they contain an enzyme called papain, and it helps in easing the pain during menstrual periods. Research has discovered that. Pawpaws also prevent pancreatic cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer because of its high levels of antioxidant on it. It also prevents constipation due to its high levels of fiber because also it has the enzyme papain. Enzyme papain makes the pawpaw a good meat tenderizer also. Pawpaw prevents infection and promote wound healing. This can be very helpful after surgery. Because of the surgery areas, the pawpaw will help in improving fast healing. Pawpaw also lowers the cholesterol levels in your body, therefore it prevents buildup of cholesterol in your arteries, which could lead to clogged arteries and therefore stroke. Pawpaw also improves hair growth since it contains vitamin A, which promotes release of sebum. That's a list of fruits that you should make a habit of taking them because they will help you in fighting against diseases, they will prevent you from diseases, and when you become sick, they will help in fastening your healing because of the vitamin levels that they have, and also raise your immunity. So I'll put the fruits in the blender, all of them, the fruits that I had placed in the bowl. I placed them in the blender, all of them. You just place as much as it can fit, then the rest you can blend later. And then I'll push them down so that they can fit in my blender, though it was so much, it didn't fit. I added a little bit of water so that it can blend easily, and also to reduce the thickness because the juice is super thick. Blend your mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, it's done, guys. Look at that. Look at the thickness. Look at the yumminess of the juice. So yummy, so nutritious for our bodies. So I served, and then I added the rest fruits that were remaining in the bowl so that I can blend all of them. These were the fruits that were remaining in the bowl, so I blended them. I blended it as I was taking the previous smoothie. It was so sweet that I had to add more. I added more juice for me, and the remaining juice, I had a visitor, my brother had visited, so I served him the remaining juice. It was so yummy, so sweet, so delicious and nutritious. Cheers to good health. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Give me a thumbs up because it helps me build my community. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And until the next one, bye.